guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So this is a birthday turban tutorial. Like you want to wear a gown, or you want to wear an English wear, so you want to still tie your hair or cover your hair. This is like the perfect turban style. You don't want to look like a bride too much. You just want a turban style that looks very fancy and beautiful all at the same time. So starting off, I'm going to start by just placing this black raw silk on her head. And also, not to forget, I don't want to forget to tell you guys, this particular raw silk type is called the Turban raw silk, and it's 2.5 yards long. That's the length. I can't remember what the width is, but yeah, it's available at the studio. If you want to buy, you can just send me a DM on Instagram at Hadidi Makeovers. I can deliver to wherever it is you are, or wherever you are. Right? So let's get started let's get started, guys. So I just placed the turban on her head, like a 50-50 part turban. It's an equal part turban. Like I placed it like the middle part of the turban, I placed it on her head, and then we have equal sides, all by the, like side by side is equal. So I'm going to be flipping one other hand up and then pleating it down to the side. I'm just going to like pleat that, and then use my office pin to pin that down. Please, whenever you're pleating, don't let your pleats go. This is like a mistake for me. I've made this mistake before and I'm still doing it now. I don't know. So I'm going to be pinning that down. You want to make sure you secure that tightly so that it doesn't lose. And there's a way you do your pinning. You want to place it from the back and then flip it back into wherever it is. Can you see? This is like, it has stayed perfectly on and it's not going to go off like that. So I'm going to be pleating that part, making a ruffle with the other part. Instead of me to tie it, I'm going to be making a ruffle with that, and then still using my pin to just hold that down. Hope you guys are getting what I am doing. Yeah, so if you do like her makeup, I'm going to be leaving a link down below on the description box. You can click and go watch the full video on how we created this beautiful pre-birthday makeup look. So yeah, I'm going to be pinning that down. So after I'm done pinning this other hand, I'm going to be making sure everything is secured, and then I'll be bringing up the other hand of the turban, like the other side, the equal side, is it? Yeah, like the other side of the turban. I'm going to be flipping that up and making it more like that. The part of her head, like the back of her head, is going to be looking fuller and bigger. That was why I twisted it at the back, and then bringing the remnants down to the ruffles, and I'm going to be pinning that down. Easy peasy, guys. This turban is very, very simple. You can actually tie it on yourself if you are good in tying that. You can push it to the back to make the edges come out very well, but I don't know what happened that I couldn't show you the back of the turban, but it was looking very beautiful the way the front of the turban is. That is how the back of the turban is. So guys, if you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, thumbs up is like, okay, don't forget to subscribe. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.